Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Today's word is competition. It's an A2 level noun, and it means a contest or rivalry between individuals or groups for a prize, position, or resource. So, competition is all about striving to be the best, to win, or to achieve something others are also trying to achieve. Think of it as the driving force behind sports, business, and even everyday life. Now, let's dive deeper into what competition means. Imagine a group of athletes running a race. That's a competition. Or picture companies vying for customers' attention. That's also competition. It's about trying to outperform others in a specific area. In everyday language, you might hear someone say, "There's a lot of competition for jobs these days," meaning many people are applying for the same positions. Let's explore some synonyms for competition. One synonym is contest. For example, the school held a spelling contest. Another synonym is rivalry. We can say, "There's a long-standing rivalry between the two football teams." A further synonym is match. The tennis match was very intense. Another word we can use is challenge, as in he accepted the challenge to complete the marathon. And finally, game is another suitable synonym in certain contexts. The chess game was very strategic. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of competition. One antonym is cooperation. The project required cooperation from all team members. Another antonym is collaboration. The scientists engaged in collaboration to find a cure. Harmony is another antonym. The choir sang in perfect harmony. We can also use agreement as an antonym. The two countries reached an agreement to end the conflict. Another suitable antonym is peace. They sought peace and understanding, not competition. Let's look at how we use competition in everyday life. You might say, "I'm in competition with my colleagues for a promotion." Or, healthy competition can improve performance. You could also say, "The competition was fierce, but we managed to win." Another example is, "The company faces stiff competition from overseas rivals." She thrives on competition and always aims to be the best. Here are some more examples of how competition can be used in sentences and phrases. The competition to get into that university is incredibly high. He enjoys the thrill of competition. She entered the photography competition hoping to win first prize. The competition between the two siblings was always playful. The pressure of the competition affected her performance. They won the competition by a narrow margin. The company overcame its competition through innovation. Fair competition is essential for a healthy market. The competition pushed them to improve their skills. He avoided the competition by choosing a different path. To summarize, competition is a noun referring to a contest or a rivalry. We learned several synonyms like contest, rivalry, and match. We also explored antonyms like cooperation, collaboration, and harmony. We looked at how competition is used in various contexts, from job markets to sports and even in everyday conversations. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. And now, for your homework, create your own sentence using the word competition and share it in the comments below the video. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, happy learning!